If you can't remember who you blocked on Facebook, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to view everyone you've blocked on Facebook and how to unblock them if you want to. But before I show you the steps, if you're new to this channel, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more similar videos like this one. The very first thing that we need to do is to open our Facebook mobile app on either our iPhone or Android. It doesn't matter, because the steps are the same. So open Facebook, tap on the menu icon, and then tap your name in order to go to your Facebook profile page. Once we're on our Facebook profile, our job is to tap the three dots at the right side of our screen, which will then open the profile settings for us. And I'm going to scroll a bit down until I can see the activity log section. This will show you your different activities across Facebook, but in order for us to find our blocked list, we're going to expand this connections, expand the friends section, then your friends. After that, what we need to do is to click on this little filter icon at the top left corner of our screen, which looks like this. Let's now open the Categories section, and you'll be able to see the blocked list. Here is a list of all the people which you had blocked on Facebook. You can see the exact date when you've blocked someone. But if you need to unblock a person, then we need to exit this, because Facebook won't allow us to unblock people on this page, but we'll have to open another one. You're going to go back to the menu page, open your Facebook settings by tapping the little gear icon at the top right, and then use the search bar to type blocking. Tap here and then you'll have a list of people which you've blocked, but you will also have this unblock option. So if you've changed your mind and you need to unblock a person, this is how you can do it. If you found this guide useful, then consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.